Hello, my friends. Jeanette here with Vivo Vintage Designs. So I had my surgery done on the 11th, and today is the 15th, and I've had some complications, so I'm still in the hospital, and I'll be going to a rehabilitation center either probably tomorrow, I think, for about a week. My progression has not gone as it should. I apparently lost a lot of blood and had to have a blood transfusion yesterday. My blood pressure is really low and I've been passing out. But today I finally got up and walked a little bit. Very painful. Um, of course, things never go the way they're supposed to when it comes to me, but I'm keeping my spirits high and I'm looking forward to recovering from this and getting back to doing what I enjoy the most. So, thank you all for your support and for your kind words. I really do appreciate it. So, I will keep you in the loop and let you know how I'm doing. Bye. See you soon.